Hello, nice to meet you again. I'm going to show you how I paint with acrylic markers, my blending techniques, and how I choose my colors. I usually pick one base color which would closely be similar to the reference. It helps me to set an anchor point. Then I look at the reference to figure out the already existed colors, and I just try to exaggerate those colors. Acrylic markers are already very colorful mediums, so I feel like this medium looks very lively when used in a colorful way. I'm going to use cooler tones in the shadow parts and warmer colors in the area that is lit. I sometimes do the opposite as well. I feel like you should rely on your intuition a bit here. These colors are very smooth to work with. I really liked their 36 set of this older package before, but this one that I'm using right now has much more new colors in this set of 60. I'll link it down if you wanna get it. Also, I feel like I mostly focus on the temperature contrast because you usually get a lot of similar values in acrylic markers. Similar values in different colors. So, temperature contrast makes it look better in my opinion. Oh, also I sometimes take the paint from the paint tip directly from the brush to make the blending smoother. I feel like I should mention about this marker pad here. It's so good for using any markers and it doesn't even bleed through. Sometimes I just mix 2 or more colors together to make a new shade. I'll use this warm gray over this yellow to make it a bit neutral. The yellow one was too warm for this painting. Also, I'm not very good at rendering here, so bear with me. I'm trying. Okay, there, I'll stop right here. couldn't decide on which color to paint the clip, so I used both.